You will get this spacious living room and to the right of the entrance is your kitchen space. This is the largest master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project The Haleys of Opulence at Aradhya Avan by MICL located in Tardeo, Grant Road, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing right outside the sales office of this project and we will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, starting with the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.75 acres, having 2 towers that will have 3 basements plus double-heighted lobby, 9 podium plus 8-level robotic car park plus 64 residential floors, and Tower 2 having 61 residential apartments. Tower name Oceano is with 81 floors and Serrano is with 78 floors. Each tower per floor having only 4 apartments and also having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK luxury residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Tardeo behind Bhatia Hospital, Grant Road, Mumbai. From where Worli Sea Face is only 5 kilometers, MTHL is 7.5 kilometers, Bandra Worli Sea Link is 5.6 kilometers and Coastal Road is only 1.6 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Talking about the amenities, this project has vertical theme-based tropical amenities. First is the 18-level wave house, that is 18,000 square feet wave house, which has 2-lane bowling alley, summer garden, arcade zone, family pool and multipurpose court. And second, 34th and 35th sunrise house, that is 70,000 square feet sunrise house that has Hammam bath, wiki shower, escape zone, farmers cafe, salon, guest room, lay royal, private dining, steam, sports lounge, card table and many more amenities. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of the Haleys of Opulence at Aradhya Avan. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1459 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and let me show you how spacious this 3 BHK is. As we enter, you'll get this spacious foyer area where you can customize your shoe closet or place some side sofas and tables. And to the right of the entrance is your kitchen space. As you can see, you can easily place a 2-way platform in L shape or parallel. That's totally up to you as you will be getting bare shell apartment. And this will be a spacious utility area that you can see is very spacious. You can place your washing machine, customize your dryer rack and many more. Moving forward, over here we have a spacious living and dining area. You will get this spacious living room. You can easily place a 3-way sofa, place center table, side table, customize your large TV unit and you will have plenty of walkable space. You will also get a spacious balcony in the living. You can place your swings, your tea tables, your tea chairs to enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, in this corner we have our dining tables. You can place a 6 to 8 people dining table very easily to enjoy meals with your family. And you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing and customizing your living and dining. Moving forward, as you can see, this will be your alley area that gives your bedroom full privacy. First, we have a common washroom that will be very spacious and you can easily customize it by your choice. Right opposite to the common washroom, we have a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place a king size bed and customize your wardrobe corner and you will still have plenty of walkable space. You can also customize your makeup corner or your study corner. Over here, we have the attached washroom that you can see is very spacious, and you can customize it by your choice. Moving forward to the right of the first bedroom, we have a second master bedroom which is also very spacious. You can easily place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables. Customize your wardrobe section, and you can also build lofts if you want. Over here, you can customize your makeup corner or your study corner, and as you can see, you have plenty of walkable space after placing all the needful things in the bedroom. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that is very spacious, and you can customize that also by yourself. Before moving forward, now let me tell you what does Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let me take you to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. May I mention all 3 bedrooms are master bedrooms in this 3 BHK. This is the largest master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king size beds, your side tables, and the space given in this corner is very spacious. You can easily customize your study tables. You can place sofas for your seating area and customize your makeup corner. This will be your wardrobe section that you can customize by your choice, and you can also build lofts. Over here, we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious and customizable, as I would also again like to mention that you will be getting bare shell flat. So it's totally up to you how your flat looks. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project The Haleys of Opulence at Aradhya Aman, and if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I have one question for you. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.